What is going on, seashell addicts? Today's video is going to be actually something I've never done before. Let me show you without my hand being in the way there. I bought a do-it-yourself snow globe off of eBay, and I thought it would be cool to make a seashell themed snow globe. So we're going to replace what normally is the glitter that you put in here with micro seashells, and then I'll pick a shell of choice to put it as the centerpiece. Maybe throw in a couple small shark teeth as well, and then when you shake it up, it'll snow micro seashells. So the one thing that I'm missing out of this whole project is the micro shells, and I did end up discovering a new spot to look for these guys, look for the micro seashells. So I'm gonna head there, see how many we can find. Probably just need about a handful of them, and then we'll go home and make this happen. So the next thing you're gonna see is me looking for micro seashells. Alright guys, we're at my new micro shell hunting spot, and this spot goes from my foot all the way down the entrance to the Gulf of Mexico. It is just full of all these tiny micro seashells, and I've already found two. I found one right there and another one right there, and so we're probably gonna find like 100 of these is what I'm gonna need to put in the do-it-yourself snow globe. So I'll update you guys if I find anything more cooler than just these basic olive seashells. Alrighty guys, I just spotted a really awesome micro shell. It's right here. Check this thing out. Baby whelk. That is super cool to see out here. That's a beautiful little baby seashell. Super excited to have found that. Awesome. Alrighty guys, I found a baby snail shell. Pretty cool. Little baby Gary the snail shell. Alright, we'll keep looking. And there go the blue angels. Look what's sticking out of the sand right here. It's a piece of coral, but I'm not sure how big it is, so let's uncover it. Ooh, nice. That's a beautiful piece of coral. Very good. Alright, here's an update. Look at all these beautiful little micro olive shells I've been finding. I've been really just finding them in just this little spot. It takes a little while to get used to knowing what you're looking for, but once you have an idea of the pattern and what you're looking for, you can find them pretty easily. So that's a nice little haul for about 2 minutes of looking. So we'll keep looking, and I'll update you guys on when I find more. This is what I really enjoy about micro shelling, is you never know what you're going to see on top of the sand, but we got a nice little top to a conch shell, so that's super cool to see out here. And just to give you guys an update, that's how many little micro shells I've found so far. I'd say we're about halfway there. We need about about that many more, and then we should be good to have enough for our snow globe. So we'll keep looking. All right, found my first micro auger. Look at that. That's super cool. What an awesome little micro auger to find. That'll look cool in the snow globe. Check it out, guys. Micro shell, and sometimes you just find olive shells just sitting on top of the sand. Well, that's super cool. Probably not going to put this in the snow globe because it's just too big, but always love finding a little bit bigger shells here while I'm looking for other seashells. And like, look right here, guys, got a nice little piece of coral. Awesome. And then let's just see real quick if I can spot a micro shell out of thin air. And I don't see one yet. Gotta have a trained eye for this. That is for sure. Oh, look at this right here. Perfect. Look at that little
Little guy right there. Super cool. Awesome. All right, let's keep looking. You guys see it? Right there. Nice little auger. Very cool. Love finding this stuff out here. And we'll keep looking. Guys, I love finding these shells out here. Got ourselves a nice little cone shell, baby cone shell. Super, super cool. And here's a little recap of everything that I've been finding so far. Got a bunch of good stuff in there. So add the cone shell to it. And we're almost set. We need a few more shells, and then we'll head back. Alright guys, so I think I found enough micro shells for our snow globe. So for the rest of our time out here, we're just gonna walk back to the car and pick up some trash. I saw some trash on the beach, so we'll do our part to keep the beach clean. So let's do it, friends. All right, there we go. Got a little piece of jewelry right there. All right, and then one of these resin bags. Never good. Don't want that on the beach. And it looks like to be a can. All right. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Guys, look what's right here. Oh my goodness. Aw. We got a whelk. See? This is what happens when you clean up the beach. You come across really cool little shells. So, definitely taking that back with me. And we got somebody's receipt. So we'll go ahead and pick that up. And looks like somebody lost their sandal. Now, if there's two sandals, I normally don't pick up sandals up, but there's only one sandal. I don't see the other sandal anywhere. So I'm guessing there are no 1 feet people walking the beach today. So we'll go ahead and pick that up as well, clean up the beach. Got some styrofoam, so definitely want to pick that up. And then that's it. We're gonna go to the garbage, throw this stuff out, and head back and put the snow globe together.
All right, so we're back at the house. We've got all of our seashells here. By the way, guys, this is my cat named Chaos, and he just wanted to chill next to what I'm doing here. And then also, I don't know if I've introduced these guys or not, but that's Eve, and that's Marley, and they like to play tug of war, and Eve apparently likes to dominate. So, anyways, so I'll show you guys what we got here for our do-it-yourself snow globe. I got these snow globes on eBay for really cheap, like $3 a snow globe. Pretty incredible. So I bought 3 of these. They come with this, and then this is the water sealer. So what we're gonna do is I've got this really nice shark's eye, beautiful shark's eye. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna super glue that onto the seal. So obviously when it goes inside here, it'll be on the inside. So this will be like our monumental piece. And then I've got some baby shark teeth, and then obviously our seashells. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna super glue this seashell to that podium, and then all the micro shells and other shells that we have in here, I'm gonna dump in there. And then when you shake it up, what should happen is the little micro seashells should act as the glitter and dance all around that really cool shell. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's do it. All right, so we're gonna take our hot glue gun and we're just gonna glue around where I believe the shell is gonna sit. So this little ledge here, and then also this part right here, we're going to hot glue gun. So like that. And then we're gonna put this guy right here. Try to center it in the middle the best that we can. And I think I will add a little bit more glue around it, around the base, just to kind of hold it into place. And I'll do that all the way around the outside of the shell, so that way it stays. All right, so as we're letting the glue kind of dry, you know, it's looking pretty good. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take our shells and our little baby shark teeth, and we're going to put those into our little snow globe here, upside down. And then we're going to throw all the little micro shells and little seashells and pieces of coral that we found in there. And then what we'll do is we'll fill this up to about to the brim here. We don't want to fill it up too far because we do need to leave some surface space for the shell itself to go into. So let's go ahead and fill this thing up with some water. And so currently right now we have what looks to be a fish bowl, which is why Chaos is here. He thinks that I'm going to be putting a fish in here. So I'm going to let Chaos inspect the shell, make sure things are good to go. Everything good? All right. He said it's good to go without having to look at it. He's very particular. And we're just going to dunk this guy in here. Just like so. Hopefully I left enough space. I did. Making sure it's nice and tight in there. You don't want any water coming out. That would suck. And then, all right. No water. Good. We're going to take our cap, put our cap back on, like so. And if I turn this over, we should have our seashell snow globe. Here we go. And then what you do is you shake it up. And there you go. You got yourself a little seashell snow globe. Pretty cool. You guys can see all the little shells and stuff kind of going around. And this is our finished product. A little seashell snow globe. Pretty cool. So that's just kind of a cool creative thing that you could do with your seashells. You can make into it yourself snow globe with them. I think if I make another one, I'll probably add some glitter into the next one because the shells didn't really float around the shell as much as I wanted to. So I will add some glitter to it at some point. But that's just something cool that you guys can do. Just go on eBay or Amazon and just type in do-it-yourself snow globe. And there's a lot of options that'll pop up. Highly recommend buying a couple and making some for your family. And they're just good gifts to give away. They're easy gifts when it comes to the holidays or birthdays or anything. So thanks for checking out my video. And I'll see you guys next week for another seashell, geocaching, or some sort of odd adventure on San Marcos' channel. Stay safe, friends.